Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Lenovo Legion glasses and I'm going to show you how to plug them straight into your MacBook. So at first you have to get your USB Type-C cable. As you can see, it's over here. And then plug this cable straight into your USB Type-C port, which is over here. And that's it. Now I will show you how does it work. Here you just have to do something like that, and then you will see your external display. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.